Look at the ceiling interiors of this hotel here. Actually, it's the mall at New Star. It's the mall area. So of course, it's got the access to the casino and lots of fine restaurants here. It's not yet fully open, the mall area. There are a few brands opening already. Yes. So, wapa kaayo yung mga tao dire. Joe Malone London, Diagold, Estee Lauder, Chow Tai Fook. So actually this is we're approaching the lobby, the entrance lobby of New Star. So na restaurant diha kanang El Primo. Restaurant na siya, fine dining guys. Napay daghang restaurant sa next to it. Yes. So mga siyang entrance. And opposite side is the casino entrance. Okay ra ba? So ano siya ang El Primo. Yes. White Horse Club. Hello. So here's a directory of the building. So you can go to the sky deck, then the strip to the left. Of course, the mall, Philly Hotel, New Star, Food Hall, New Star Convention Center, Leisure Park, Grand Summit Hotel, and the stage going this way. The elevators there. Nice. Nice chandeliers. And there's I think it's from Hong Kong. This Mott 32 is, this is a restaurant, Hong Kong inspired restaurant. See, actually kinda film inside. There's guests. They might have a cameo in the vlog, so just do another vlog. We were invited to Mott 32, but basically you can have coffee there or noodles, Hong Kong noodles. So this one is another. It's Macau, Liang, Crispy Rolls, NYFD, New York, fries and dips. So more of snack. The Barcino. Barcino is it's a wine resto bar. Nice. Barcino. Excuse, pwede mo quad clip ka rin? Okay lang? Pwede ba? Pili. Sugawas lang. So, Philly no? Philly. This is Kazuha Prime. It's also a restaurant here at New Star. This is Fina restaurant. This is more Filipino food, no? So na Filipino food cuisine sa dire sa Fina. This is the lobby of Philly Hotel. Ang Philly, sir ba? Separate siya sa New Star? Lahi siya sa New Star or kauban lang? Kauban lang. Pero lahi nga brand. So this is the hotel lobby. They have the entrance lounge there as well. You can have coffee or you can order a drink. So this is the way to the convention center here at Philly. Nice. Oh.